This dedicated monkey teacher is preparing for his geometry lesson. Big Core would like to know where to find such devoted employees. When none of you wants to be the rope thrower, but you have elephants. This beluga is not smoking, he is creating art under the sea. Two types of people are illustrated well here, the extroverts and the introverts.
Everybody has a different playing style. The calm and the crazy.
Synchronized swimming must have been heavily inspired from these fish. Why walk when we can dance to our destination? How my mood goes when Monday is coming closer. How could a puppy this tiny contain that much amount of love and care? This will be my outfit if I'm ever invited to sit on the front row of fashion shows. Seeing one's crush walk by and immediately trying to hide in the background. When parents aren't home, you'll become the commander to everyone in the house. The driver should be proud that his car has been chosen by the bears for their next adventure. That's the spirit. No matter how bad the day is, we should just dance like this monkey. The security at the zoo also helped customers to move their car out of the park. Pay attention! You're watching an expert in walking on sand illustrating his techniques. A fall is just not enough to stop this kitty from sleeping. This baby bat looks like fresh buns in these leaves. This turtle is going to have his shell cleaned today at the spa. Sometimes you try to hide something, but everybody knows, because the glass isn't cooperative. What's easy won't be fun. This dude has to show his friend how flexible he is. Excellent disguise skill will be your unfair advantage. When your own tail is your most favorite toy. The photographers can take a break today, thanks to these helpful assistants. Humans would rather be late than disturb the comfort of these lions. These fish's smiles are just contagious. You can be weak, as long as you have many teammates. This boar must have been chased by the deadlines. If this is your elephant in the room, you should talk about it right now. For the octopus, when there's a space, there's a way. The puppy doesn't mind being a little chicken today to enjoy this warmth. Everything will become a slide when you're as slippery as a frog. Thought I would laugh, but I got feels instead. Dogs are truly caring and protective of their loved ones. Fish who go against the flow like this are truly an inspiration for us to dare to be different. Never thought being small could be such a big advantage. You're only aggressive when you know your best bro is beside you. We need a name for this kind of weather, when we can't feel or see anything but the birds. Which animal was your favorite? Leave us a comment down below. Thanks for watching!